Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the topic that was, I think that was the different phobias. Okay, so that we have discussed in the previous session. So today I am going to start with another topic from our GK book only. So today I am going to start with the topic that is stars of the business world. Okay. Okay. So today we'll talk about the next topic from the revision part, that is stars of the business world. Okay. So I'll just write in the topic on the board, that is given at page number, okay, that is 56. Okay, the topic is stars of the business world. Okay, so this is the topic that we will discuss in today's session, and this is given at page number 56. Stars of the business world. So that means in this topic we will discuss about the various business persons or the personalities, okay, those who have made the contribution in the business, okay, or they have achieved the highest position in the business. Okay, तो उन्होंने किसी भी तरह का अलग अलग in this we will talk about the different business person. तो उन सबका जो business है जो अलग अलग उन्होंने किया था, but now they have started with a very less point, now they have reached up to the heights. Okay, so we will talk about some of these great business personalities. Okay, so most of the products that are under the company of these business persons that you must be using in your daily life. Okay, so here I am starting with the first one, that is the first business person I will talk about, that is Bill Gates. Okay, so the first is, that is Bill Gates. Okay, so we will talk about the Bill Gates. Okay, so who is Bill Gates? Have you ever heard about the Bill Gates? कभी आपने Bill Gates के बारे में सुना है? Who is he? So देखिए, Bill Gates is the person, is the one of the co-founder of the Microsoft. So Bill Gates जो Microsoft हैं उसके co-founder हैं, the world's largest personal computer software company. He is one of the world's richest persons. He and his wife Melinda Gates and also the founder are also the founders of the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation, which takes up various kinds of charitable works around the world. Okay, so the person we're talking about, he is Bill Gates. Okay, and he is the co-founder of Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft, you all are well aware of it. So we use Microsoft Teams for our online classes, okay, for our online exams, for Microsoft Forms, for Microsoft, we use Microsoft Teams for our online classes and Microsoft Forms for online examination. Okay, so you are already using the Microsoft apps. Okay, so as I am talking about the Bill Gates, so he is the co-founder. Okay, तो वो co-founder है Microsoft के. Okay, so along with him there is one other person also. He is also the founder of Microsoft, but he has major contribution, or the major he holds the major stocks of the Microsoft. तो ज़्यादातर जो Microsoft के stocks हैं he holds it. Okay, so that's why he is the co-founder of the Microsoft. Next is the world's largest personal computer software company. Okay, so this Microsoft is one of the world दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी personal computer software company है. He is one of the world's richest persons. Okay, ये दुनिया के जो अमीर लोगों में से एक है. Okay, so he is the one of the world's richest person. तो दुनिया के जितने भी अमीर लोगों में, okay, so दुनिया के जितने भी richest persons हैं, okay, so he is one of them. Okay, so he is considered as one of the richest persons in the world. Okay, next, he and his wife Melinda Gates are also the founder of the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation, which takes up various kinds of charitable works around the world. Okay, so along with the Microsoft, he is also the founder of he and his wife. Okay, बिल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के अलावा बिल गेट्स जो हैं वो और उनकी वाइफ, द वाइफ ऑफ हिज वाइफ नेम इज मेलिंडा गेट्स. तो मेलिंडा गेट्स एंड बिल गेट्स, they both are the founders of the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation. Okay, so he is also the founder of Microsoft, as well as he and his wife Melinda Gates, they are also the founder of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Okay, so what is the function of this Melinda Gates Foundation? इसका function क्या है? So the function of the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation is that they work, they are involved in the various charitable works under this foundation. तो इस foundation के अंदर they work for the various charitable works. बहुत सारे charitable means the work that are done for helping the poor, helping the needy. So these are the charitable works. ठीक है, जो charitable works होते हैं जिसमें कि जो poor हैं, उनके needy हैं, उनकी help की जाती है. Okay, so they are Melinda Gates and Bill Gates. Okay, so he is Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft. He is the co-founder of Microsoft. Along with that, he and his wife Melinda Gates, they both are co-founder of Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation. Okay, which takes up some various charitable works. चलिए, let's move to the another person. He is Ratan Tata. So another gem of India. Okay, so he is one of the gem of our country, and he is Ratan Tata. He is Ratan Tata, the chairman of Tata Group. Ratan Tata is the chairman of Tata Group. जो रतन टाटा हैं वो जो टाटा ग्रुप है उसके चेयरमैन हैं. ओके, सो टाटा ग्रुप्स प्रोडक्ट मस्ट बी यूजिंग. ओके, सो यू टाटा सॉल्ट, टाटा टी, टाटा स्टील, Tata Nano, Tata Motors. So there are various products of the Tata Group is involved in the various products. Okay, like in consumer goods, they have involved in बहुत सारे consumer goods बनाते हैं ये. Okay, grocery items, ठीक है, बहुत सारी अलग अलग. So they have their hands in the different fields. Okay, and they make the consumer goods of the different in the different field. Okay, so Ratan Tata, was the chairman of the Tata Group, one of the largest business houses in India. Okay, he is the greatest grandson of the Jamsetji Tata, the founder of, he is the great grandson. Okay, so he is the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group. Under Ratan Tata's guidance, Tata Motors launched the world's cheapest car in the year 2009. The name of the car is Nano. Okay, so now the person we will talk about, that is Ratan Tata, जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. So he is the chairman of the Tata Group. So he is the chairman of Tata Group. वो Tata Group के chairman हैं. Okay, along with that he is also the great grandson. Okay, so he is the chairman. He is not the founder of Tata Group. He is the chairman. ये chairman है. He is not the founder. Okay, and Ratan Tata, he is the great grandson. तो इनके great grandfather was Jamsetji Tata. Okay, so that means his great grandfather, that is Jamsetji Tata. Jamsetji Tata was जो Jamsetji Tata है वो इनके दादाजी हैं, great grandfather हैं. So he is the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata, the founder of Tata Group. So here we have raised a question that who is the founder of Tata Group? That is Jamsetji Tata. So that means Jamsetji Tata is the founder of Tata Group. Under Ratan Tata's guidance, Tata Motors launched the world's cheapest car in the year 2009, that is Nano. ओके, तो रतन टाटा की गाइडेंस के अंदर टाटा मोटर्स ने द टाटा मोटर्स हैज़ लॉन्च्ड द वर्ल्ड चीपेस्ट कार दैट इज़ इन द ईयर 2009, दैट इज़ नैनो. तो रतन टाटा की गाइडेंस के अंदर उन्होंने दुनिया की सबसे सस्ती कार बनाई थी, दैट इज़ नैनो. ओके, एंड इट वॉज लॉन्च्ड इन द ईयर 2009. So in the year 2009, this the world cheapest car that I think the amount was near 1,50,000 to 250 lakhs, 2,50,000. Okay, so this was the cost of that car, that is the Nano. Okay, and it was launched by the Tata Group, okay, in the year 2009. Okay, so here in this we have done some of the facts about Ratan Tata. He was the chairman of Tata Group. Okay, and he is also the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata, who is the founder of Tata Group. Third thing, that Ratan Tata has, under his guidance, the Tata Motors has launched the world cheapest car, that is Nano, and they have launched this car in the year 2009. Okay, chaliye, let's move to the third one. So the third business person we'll talk about, that is Narayan Murthy. So the third one is Narayan Murthy. That is Narayan. That is Narayan Murthy. M-U-R-T-H-Y. That is Narayan Murthy. Now who is Narayan Murthy? Okay, so Narayan Murthy is an Indian industrialist. He is one of the founders of the Infosys, a leading international IT company based in India. For his creative business ideas, his support of many social causes, and promoting India internationally. He has received many awards including the Padma Vibhushan. Okay. So now we'll talk about another great business personality of our country. He is Narayan Murthy. तो देखिए, just like Ratan Tata, he is also one of the gem from the business world. Okay, and he had made, or he has उन्होंने तो हमारी इंडिया को इंटरनेशनली एक पहचान दिलवाई है. Okay, and he has promoted India internationally. So now who is Narayan Murthy? He is the founder of Infosys. आपने Infosys कंपनी का नाम सुना होगा बेटा. Infosys is one of the leading IT company. Okay, एक leading IT company है Infosys. Okay, and he is the founder of that. Okay, so Narayan Murthy is the founder of Infosys. वो Infosys के founder हैं. Okay, and a leading international IT company based in India. So this Infosys is one of the leading international IT company, okay, that has its headquarters in our country, India only. तो जो Infosys है, इसकी जो headquarters है, और you can say this Infosys has its roots from India only. तो जो Infosys एक आज दुनिया में इसका now it has gained so much popularity worldwide. This company has its roots in our country, India only. Okay, under the guidance of Narayan Murthy, one of the great Indian industrialists. Okay, for his creative business ideas, he support many social causes and promote Indian internationally. Okay, इन्होंने अपने creative ideas से अपने business को इतना बड़ा बनाया. And now, okay, now this Infosys is one of the first company, Indian company. जो Infosys है वो पहली Indian company है that has been listed in the stock market of America. तो अमेरिका के stock market में list होने वाली, this is the first Indian company which has been listed in the stock market of America. Okay, so he is Narayan Murthy. Okay, and he is one of the leading industrialists of our country, and he is also the founder of Infosys, one of the leading international IT company. Okay, and he also promotes, he is also involved in many kinds of social works. Okay, so he has promoted various social works. Okay, and इसके लिए इंडिया को इंटरनेशनल प्रमोट करने के लिए he has also been awarded with one of the civilian awards, that is Padma Vibhushan. Okay, इनको एक हमारे भारत का एक सिविलियन अवार्ड से भी नवाजा गया, नेशनल सिविलियन अवार्ड, that is Padma Vibhushan. So he has also been awarded with Padma Vibhushan, and you know this Padma Vibhushan is presented by the president of the country. Okay, तो इनको Padma Vibhushan हमारे कंट्री के जो प्रेसिडेंट थे उन्होंने दिया. Okay, so he is one of the leading industrialists of our India. चलिए, so now let's talk about another one of the greatest another very successful business person. So now we'll talk about one of the successful business women. अभी तक हमने बिजनेसमैन की बात की थी, विमेन की बात की थी. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमेन. ओके, एंड हर नेम इज मैडम C.J. Walker. Her name is Madam C.J. Walker. She is also one of the successful businesswomen. The fourth is Madam MEDAM. That is Madam C.J. Walker. She is Madam C.J. Walker. Madam C.J. Walker. Now who is she? देखिए, मैडम C.J. Walker was a successful African American businesswoman. She is listed in the Guinness Books of Records, okay, as the first woman to become a millionaire through her own achievements. Okay, she became successful by developing and marketing a range of beauty and the hair products. Okay, so we are talking about the Madam C.J. Walker now. Now who is she? So she is one of the very successful अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन बिजनेस वुमेन. तो वो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन बिजनेस वुमेन है. ओके ओके, एंड शी हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन लिस्टेड एज द इन द गिनीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड एंड द फर्स्ट वुमेन टू बिकम अ मिलियनेयर थ्रू हर ओन अचीवमेंट. तो शी हैज़ ऑल्सो, इनका नाम मैडम C.J. वॉकर का नाम, इट हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन लिस्टेड इन द गिनीज बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स. तो इनका नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में भी लिखा गया है. ओके, सो व्हाई इट इज रिटन? बिकॉज शी इज द फर्स्ट वुमेन बिजनेस वुमेन, okay, who has achieved so much success in the business world with her own so no, she has been listed because she is the first business woman to become a millionaire with her own achievements. तो अपने बलबूते पे, अपने काम से, अपनी मेहनत से वो सबसे पहली विमेन थी जो कि मिलियनेयर बनी थी. शी इज़ द फर्स्ट बिजनेस विमेन to become the millionaire. Okay, so that's why her name is also written in the Guinness Book of World Records. She became successful by developing and marketing a range of beauty and the hair products. Okay, and the business she was running, that business was about the products, beauty products and the hair products. So this beauty products, okay, so her business was, she was developing and marketing a range of beauty products. So इनका business किस चीज़ का था? तो she was involved in the business of beauty and the hair products. Okay, the beauty products and hair products के business में she was involved. Okay, and she has also achieved that where she has gone, she has become the one of the first women millionaire. She is the first business woman millionaire. Okay, and that's why her name is also listed in the Guinness Book of World Record. Okay, and her name is Madam C.J. Walker. Okay, let's move to the next one, that is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. So next businesswoman, she is also from the businesswoman from India, and her name is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. Now who is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw? Kiran Majumdar-Shaw कौन है? Let's read about her as well. So Kiran Majumdar-Shaw is the founder of the Biocon, one of the India's leading biotechnology companies. She is also a philanthropist and an art collector. She has been awarded doctorates from the various universities around the world. Okay, so another businesswoman we'll talk about, she is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. इनका नाम क्या है? किरण मजूमदार-शॉ. She is also one of the very successful businesswomen in the world. Okay, and she is also the founder of the Biocon. Okay, so Biocon company का आपने नाम सुना होगा. Okay, she is the founder of the Biocon company. Okay, and this is one of the India's leading biotechnology company. Okay, और ये इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. Okay, so that is bio products, जो बायो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करती है. So this is one of the India's leading biotechnology companies. She is also the philanthropist and an art collector. So she is a lover of art. Okay, so she is also a lover of art. So that's why she always keep on collecting the arts of the different great personalities. Okay, and she has been awarded doctorates from the various universities around the world. Okay, इसके अलावा इनको दुनिया की बहुत सारी अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज से she has been awarded with a degree of doctorates. So she has also been awarded with the degree of doctorate from the various universities of the world. Okay, so she is Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. She is the founder of Biocon company, and this Biocon company is one of the leading biotechnology company of India. Okay, and she, Kiran Majumdar Shaw, has also been awarded with the degree of doctorates by the different universities around the world. Okay, so we have discussed about the 5 different great business personalities. The first is the Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. Second is Ratan Tata, the chairman of Tata Group. Third is Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys, the leading IT company. Fourth is Madam C.J. Walker. She's one of the she has been listed in the Guinness Book of World Record as first business women to become the millionaire. The next is the Kiran Majumdar Shaw. She is the founder of the biotechnology Biocon company, and the leading biotechnology company in India. Okay. Now let's move to the sixth, that is Steve Jobs. So now I'll talk about another business person. Okay, you must have heard about him. He is Steve Jobs. Okay, now who is Steve Jobs? Just make a recall in your mind. The sixth is Steve Jobs. He is Steve Jobs. Now who is Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs कौन है? So Steve Jobs along with Steve Wozniak created Apple Computer Incorporation, now Apple Incorporation. Apple has brought about numerous innovations in the field of personal computing. Steve's leadership models and unique business ideas have inspired many business leaders and the organization. Okay, so you must have heard about the Apple company. So nowadays this Apple products are one of the status symbols. Okay, so iPhone, iPad, all these are from the कौन सी company का है? That is from the Apple company. Okay, and you know that Steve Jobs along, okay, so he is the founder. Okay, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. So these two persons, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, they are the two great personalities who had laid down the stepstone of the Apple Incorporation. Okay, तो अभी जो Apple company है, इसका earlier name था, the earlier name of Apple was Apple Computers Incorporation, but later on it has been changed into, now it is known as the Apple Incorporation only. तो पहले इसका नाम था Apple Computer Incorporation, but now it is known as the Apple Incorporation. Okay, Apple has brought about numerous innovations in the field of personal computing. तो Apple ने पर्सनल कंप्यूटिंग, जो पर्सनल PCs, जो कंप्यूटर्स we use at our homes, तो इस सबसे ज़्यादा innovations are brought in the field of computing was brought by the Apple only. Okay, and the various unique business ideas and the leadership skills of Steve Jobs. Okay, so he had इन्होंने इनके यूनिक आइडियाज़ और इनके यूनिक बिजनेस टेक्निक्स या मॉडल्स की वजह से नाउ एप्पल इज़ वन ऑफ द लीडिंग बिजनेस हाउसेज इन द वर्ल्ड. Okay, he has also one of the inspiration for the various business leaders and the organization. Okay, so basically we know about the Steve Jobs. Okay, so basic thing is that Steve Jobs, he is the founder of Apple Computer Incorporation, but now it is termed as the Apple Incorporation, whereas Apple has brought about numerous innovations in the field of personal computing. So this company, the Apple company that was that Steve Jobs is the owner of, he has also brought so many changes or so much in Apple has made so much innovations in the fields of personal computing. So that's why it is gaining its name day by day. Okay, so इसका तो दुनिया में दिन ब दिन नाम बढ़ता जा रहा है. Okay, now the Apple company, the products of Apple are there also termed used as the status symbols. Okay, चलिए. So next, the business person will talk about, he is Jeff Bezos. Okay, so we also use his company name, okay, that is Jeff Bezos. Okay, now who is Jeff Bezos? So Jeff Bezos is the owner of Amazon.com. So Jeff Bezos कौन है बेटा? He is the owner of Amazon.com and the founder, you can say the founder and the CEO of Jeff Bezos is the founder and the CEO of Amazon.com. The company started as an online book selling marketplace and today it is one of the world's largest online markets for all kinds of goods. This model of Bezos revolutionized the concept of buying and selling online, as also known as e-commerce. Okay, so this person, he has came up with the idea of the online shopping. So most of you must have done the online shopping. Okay, and the Jeff Bezos, he is the founder and he is the CEO of Amazon.com. Okay, so earlier the Amazon site was used for selling the books only. Okay, so पहले it was just Amazon was just a online book selling market, but later on various other products are also added in this site. Okay, and now it's one of the today it is one of the leading online business houses. So आजकल you can find every kind of product. So whatever you want to purchase, you can buy it from the Amazon.com. So whatever product you want to buy, you can just check it. You can just scroll the screen and you can take the thing. So you can purchase the thing according to your requirements by looking at the specifications and the features of each and every product that is given there. Okay. Other than that, this model of Bezos revolutionized the concept of buying and selling online. तो इनकी ये जेफ बेजोस की ही देन है. नाउ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ ऑनलाइन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग, ओके, जो ऑनलाइन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग का कंसेप्ट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दिस ग्रेट एफर्ट्स ऑफ जेफ बेजोस ओनली, एंड दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ और दिस फंक्शन ऑफ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑनलाइन इज कॉल्ड ई कॉमर्स. ओके, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स. कॉमर्स मीन्स buying and selling of goods and services. Commerce means buying and selling of goods and services. Okay, and when you buy and sell the products online, that is e-commerce, or we can call it as electronic commerce. Clear? Chaliye, now let's move to the last, that is Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Okay, so the last person is Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Sergey, S-E-R-G-E-Y, Sergey Brin and Larry Page, L-A-R-R-Y, Larry Page. Now who are they? Okay, so they are the creator of Google Incorporation. So now the Google, you must be using the Google in, okay, तो हमारे पास Google everybody is using. Okay, so देखिए in the year 1996, Sergey Brin and the Larry Page were students at the Stanford University when they created a search engine. Okay, so in 1998, the company Google Incorporation was set up. Today, Google is not the most successful search engine on the World Wide Web, but it also offers several other internet-related services. Okay, so now you know about the Google. So I think no introduction is required for the Google. So the owner and the creator of the Google search engine was Sergey Brin and Larry Page. So Sergey Brin and Larry Page, they are the creators of the Google search engine. The Google search engine है, okay, वो किनकी देन है? Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Okay, now it is one of the world's leading, आज ये दुनिया का सबसे leading search engine है, that is being used by the people all around the world. So people all around the world, people are using this great search engine. Okay, and this is one of the most successful search engine on the World Wide Web. Okay, and you know, when they have created this search engine, Google search engine, so they have created this search engine only then when they were studying in the Stanford University. Okay, जब वो स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहे थे, तभी उसी टाइम इन्होंने इनको ये सर्च इंजन का आइडिया आया, and they have created such a great search engine, that is Google. Now the Google is not used for searching anything, it is also served as a search, मतलब ये सिर्फ आज सर्च इंजन नहीं है, बल्कि इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारी other internet related services that are also provided by this Google engine. Okay, so the founder of the Google is Sergey Brin and Larry Page. So these are the answers from 6 to 7. The 6th is Steve Jobs, the creator of Apple Incorporation, Jeff Bezos, the CEO and the founder of Amazon.com, the Sergey Brin and Larry Page, the founder of Google search engine. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.